Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Carmenestela, and today we are doing another mukbang. Woo! All right, let's get started. Today we have a buffalo chicken, what is it? Like an enchilada? Oh, I don't know. Quesadilla. Yeah, quesadilla. Tommy literally just made this up, so we are going to try it. We usually have this as a dip, like I just said. But we said, why not put it in one of our low calorie, like little tortillas. Babe, will you give me a napkin? Those paper towels are so cheap. They're so... Sorry. How are you guys doing today? Oh, let me take the first bite. I'll give you guys the first bite. That's real savory. All right, so this is how you make it. Just like you make a buffalo chicken dip, cream cheese, rotisserie chicken. He had a little bit of butter. Did you add any cheese?
Yeah.
Cheese. Melt that up. I use these only have 50 calories. So these are super good. A lot better than you would use it if you had a tortilla. Like I said, Tommy just got a griddle. He added it on top of his grill. So he is loving that right now, y'all. And this is my pico sauce. How are we doing today, guys? I hope your week is going fabulous. I hope everything that you've been praying for has been coming true. I've got here some lemonade. It is a beautiful day here in Vegas. I think it's about 65, but it is a little windy, so. I like the spicy. No topic today, guys, just eating. I know a lot of you guys are home, so just trying to keep you guys entertained. As you can tell, I decided to do my hair and makeup today. this has been a good week for us. We've just been relaxing, spending quality time. I'm trying to pull out the Monopoly game tonight, hopefully. This is a perfect lunch. It's gonna be a short video, but hey, if I can push one out every other day, I'm happy. Cyrus is upstairs asleep. He is down for a nap. My bad, y'all. Yeah, I'll probably whip out the Monopoly game tonight. It's gonna be a short video, y'all, but you get the drift. Just a little lunch. I said, you know what, let me record it. Get a video out. Bomb, huh, babe? You did that. What about you? Did like it? A little snack. Tommy gets a little shy talking on camera. I didn't even take this drink, Mom. That's how good it was. I didn't even get to drink my lemonade. The sweet with the savory. What games have you guys been playing out of the family? Or are you picking up other crafts? Or I see a lot of you guys working out. You guys are turning your garages into gyms. I think that's so dope. We're gonna start painting. I would love to start working on our garage as far as doing something with the floor. I forgot what it's called, but when it got the little sparkles in it. And then we also want to add something so we can put all of the bins, like a rail on top. So that way we'll have more open space and possibly do something in there in the garage. Ooh, that was refreshing, guys. All right, I'm gonna end the video there. I love you guys. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family. Leave me comments of what you want me to eat next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.